The wife is leaving for work, but she's going to have to clean the windshield first. And there she goes.
I just have to make sure she's not coming back. She's been forgetful lately.
Oh shit, she's coming back. Doesn't sound like my car. No, just a neighbor.
Guys, this is our secret. I'll give you extra treats. Just don't tell anyone, okay? Stormy, especially you.
It's not what you think. Well, it actually might be what you think, but I don't think it is because I got a great deal on the tires and my wife is not gonna be having any pissy fits on the tires or for the tires. It's what those tires are gonna mount on is where I'm gonna be up Schitt's Creek without a paddle. Gotta figure out what to say, how to do this, how to play this. And those thinking, duh, she's gonna find out by watching this video. Well, she doesn't watch my videos because she thinks they'd be too hard on our marriage. And when a wife says, that'll be too hard on your marriage, you listen to your wife. Now I can say this, it's paid in full, I've never seen it, and it's never been started in 10 years. I just have to find time to go pick it up. But before I do that, I have to shovel my way out.
Move to Canada. You will enjoy the 4 seasons. I gotta put my glasses on for driving, otherwise I might be in trouble. Okay. I'm off to check out my latest investment. My wife, on the other hand, calls it another one of those investments we definitely don't need.
Due to the harsh Canadian winters, I can't do too much on the Ninja build right now. Plus, the constant questions from YouTube enthusiasts are overwhelming. Questions like, what is it? When will you show it? What are your plans for it? Are you going to modify it? Are you going to sell it? And comments such as, you bought it sight unseen? Crazy man. Or my favorite, another guy thinking he can make money, what an idiot. Yes, there are YouTube content creators who find a barn find vehicle, get it to the garage, change the fluids, spark plugs, use a battery sitting in the corner full of cobwebs and dead flies. And they install the battery in the vehicle and it fires right up. They clean it, sell it, and double their money. But for me, my barn find experiences are different. I buy, I fix, and sell it below my cost. Now, I know it's not a good business practice, so yes, I'm definitely agreeing with the last comment.
GPS says half a kilometer. GPS tells me we're close by. 300, 400, 400 feet. What the hell? GPS just told me I passed it. Nobody behind me. I can slow down.
So I'm going to make a series where I will show the steps it takes to fix and sell a motorcycle. And let's see if I can prove to the viewer and myself that I can do it.
Hope I got the right place. The direction given is first left, but stay to the right. First left, stay to the right.
This must be the first left, and now stay to the right. Pass the car in the first building to the right. There's the car, and that must be the building.
Hey there, awesome people. If you love this video, or even if you didn't, give it a thumbs up so we know you're still with us. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button so we can spam your inbox with more amazing content. Oh, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.
Through the small door at the end of the building on the far right. I'm going to blur the image to protect the privacy of the vehicles that are stored in here. I see bikes at the end of the building on the right, up there. And this doesn't look like a ninja swing arm. And it's extended. Huh. I wonder what it could be. I think it looks like a Suzuki. This is not the bike we're looking for. But I know this is. He did say it was covered by green camo tarp. Let me set the camera down right about here. This is it. The green camo tarp in the corner of the garage, right in front of the red Honda. Well, it's nerve-wracking. And no, I'm not full of excitement. What's really on my mind is what my wife will say if this turns out to be more work than expected. Yeah. And here it is, the 2001 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-12R in green. And it's not just green, it's pearl green. That's cool. 185 horsepower and 99 foot-pounds of torque, and a top speed of 308 kilometers an hour, or 192 miles per hour, and she weighs 475 pounds dry weight. No doubt. She's a heavy girl. I don't know where to begin. She looks good for something sitting for 20 plus years. Yeah. And the best part of this, she's bone stock. And in my opinion, that's great. Don't get me wrong, I love modded bikes. But the way I look at it is, if there's a problem with this one and I can't start it, Kawasaki dealer can. The key's in the ignition. I'm wondering. Yeah, I didn't think so. Duh. The fairing has a chunk missing out of it, and that sucks. And the front turn signal light is not in its natural position. Fuel tank looks good on the outside, but the question is, how's it on the inside? Here's a closer look at the fairing crack. Might be damaged from a strap, and the turn signal light is a mystery. It looks like a clean break. There are no signs of the bike being dropped on this side. Usually the exhaust will show some type of damage. Man, this one's clean. Ignition is off, I know, but it's a good habit to have. Has lots of dust buildup, typical of not being washed for 20 plus years. Have a look at the rear tire. The owner stated that tires have never been changed. And by looking at this one, looks like it has plenty of life left in it. This could only mean one thing. This is a very low mileage bike. The throttle doesn't stick. That's a good sign. Both tires are flat, as expected. Unfortunately, I can't take it home today because there isn't enough room between the two vehicles. Yeah. Well, there's nothing I can do other than cover the bike up until I get it home. Now, every day I continue working on the ZX7 project, albeit at a slower pace. I think the ZX12R is a good substitute. Until the weather improves, I can pick up the pace on the ZX7. By the time this video comes out, the ZX12R should be at home in the garage. And me, well, possibly in the doghouse. Until next time, thanks for watching, and of course, staying to the end. And please always hug your pets. Take care.